Adam Savage in my cave. I'm covering some of my favorite tools, and today's tool is in fact a bit of hardware. A bit of hardware that is an excellent cosplay hack, and you might not have known its name, so I'm going to tell you its name. And like Rumpelstiltskin, that'll allow you to break the spell. In cosplay, we frequently end up with costumes where we have parts that have to hinge on other parts, but also have to be super low profile. A key aspect of this is like an Iron Man costume or a Stormtrooper costume where you have a piece of jointed armor, and you don't want to put like a bolt and a nut there, because where it sticks out, it's either going to be this ugly detail pointing out or it's going to be a painful detail pointing in. And the solution in those cases is exemplified by these large flathead screws. They are one half of what's called a Chicago screw. And oh, I'm about to change your life. Okay, this is the basic Chicago screw. It's comprised of a base, which is threaded, and a top, which has threads cut into it, and they screw together. And you might have seen these called paper rivets. That's definitely one of their names. I think the most common name is the Chicago screw. They come in a variety, actually an almost endless variety of finishes. I've got dull aluminum, shiny chrome. I've got gunmetal. I've got brass. I've even got long plastic ones. There are a dizzying array of these, but for pretty much any thickness that you have to work with, Chicago screws are a fantastic low-profile cosplay hack that'll get you that hinge where you need it without damaging your soft flesh or the look of your costume. Get out there and screw everything together.